Hi, I'm Darren Guimo, founder of thebenefactor.net, a paid-forward social-fi ecosystem where social, finance, and utility converge. The problem today is that social platforms generate billions, yet users receive little to nothing in return. We are the product. Engagement is monetized, not rewarded. At the same time, crypto hasn't solved this either. Most projects don't have real-world utility, and quite simply, people don't even trust them. So we're left with two broken systems: social media that extracts value from creators, and crypto struggles to deliver real-world application. Our solution is simple. Engagement becomes incentivized and valuable, and users capture more of the value they already create. This works because there is no change in social behavior. We redistribute a percentage of that value back to users. We're building on top of existing social behavior and returning more value to users. How it works is simple. Users' activity generates revenue, and a percentage of that revenue gets redistributed back to active users, driving more engagement. This creates a continuous loop. Engagement leads to revenue. Revenue creates value, and the cycle repeats. All of this is powered by activity across 15 plus embedded revenue generating utilities. Our traction metrics consist of building for over 4 years and have been live since November of 2024. We've grown to over 1,000 organic users with 15 plus live utilities driving real activity. And we've processed over 6 million transactions across the entire platform so far. And we've done all this without raising a single dollar. In closing, we are built for long-term sustainable growth. By even capturing a small fraction of value generated by social platforms today can power and create a self-sustaining ecosystem. We are not rebuilding social media. We are building what comes next and changing who benefits.